In 2025, a successful home decor shop thrives by blending sustainability with cutting-edge technology. Offering eco-friendly materials and locally sourced products, it attracts conscious consumers. An immersive online platform enhances the shopping experience with augmented reality, allowing customers to visualize items in their spaces. Regular workshops on DIY decor and design trends foster community engagement and creativity. Social media showcases stunning customer transformations, building a loyal following. This shop becomes a hub for inspiration, style, and sustainable living. Make your home decor shop bright and cheery to attract customers daily. Create and assemble unique products reflecting on everyday living in the house, or perhaps an office home assortment. Have plans for each product model created available for customer viewing, as balance and harmony are vital for each home, big or small. Get ideas such as photos of rooms of home from your customers to ensure ideal home decor products to purchase. Most of all, keep your customers informed of any upcoming workshops in your home decor shop.